Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. I'm very glad you are here today. Before we begin, let's slow down for a moment. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to solve any problems. Just listening is enough. Today, we're going to talk about learning to relax without guilt. Many people find it hard to relax. Even when they rest, they feel bad about it.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. That sounds very familiar to me.
You're not alone, Mark. Many people think they must always be busy. They think resting means being lazy.
When I relax, I feel like I should be doing something else.
That feeling is called guilt. Today, we will talk about where that guilt comes from and how to relax gently without fighting yourself. Mark, why do you think relaxing feels difficult for you?
Because I feel I haven't done enough.
That's a very common feeling. Many people connect their value to productivity.
If I'm not working, I feel useless.
That thought is very heavy. But your value does not come from working all the time.
I know that, but I still feel guilty.
Feelings don't always listen to logic. That's why we need gentle practice.
So it's normal to feel guilty?
Yes, but feeling guilty does not mean you are wrong. It just means you learn to push yourself for a long time. Let's talk about where guilt comes from.
From work? From school?
Yes, from many places. From expectations, from society, from what we hear growing up.
I was always told to work hard.
Working hard is not bad, but resting is also part of life.
No one taught me how to rest.
That's very common. We learn how to work. We don't learn how to relax.
So relaxing feels wrong.
Exactly. But relaxing is not wrong. It's necessary. Many people think rest is a reward.
Yes, I rest only after I finish everything.
But there is always more to do.
That's true. The work never ends.
If rest is only a reward, you may never rest.
That sounds sad.
Rest is not a reward. Rest is a need. Like food. Like sleep.
I never thought of rest that way.
You don't need to earn rest. You are allowed to rest because you are human.
That idea feels very kind.
If relaxing feels hard, you can start very gently.
What does gently mean?
It means no pressure, no rules, no goals.
That sounds different.
For example, sit for 2 minutes. Don't try to relax perfectly. Just sit.
I think I can do that.
You may still feel guilty. That's okay.
So I don't need to remove guilt first?
Number. Relaxation comes first. Guilt becomes softer later.
That feels more possible.
Yes. We learn to relax the same way we learn English. Slowly. With patience. Mark, let's talk about resting without doing anything.
That sounds very hard for me.
Yes, many people feel uncomfortable when they do nothing.
When I do nothing, my mind says, "You are wasting time."
That voice is very common. It learned to protect you by pushing you.
But it makes resting stressful.
Exactly. Doing nothing is one of the hardest forms of rest.
How can I practice that?
Start very small. Sit quietly for 1 minute. No phone, no task.
Just sitting?
Yes, you don't need to feel relaxed. You just stay.
I feel nervous just thinking about it.
That's okay. Nervousness is part of learning to rest.
So doing nothing is not wrong.
Number. Doing nothing is how your body recovers. Let's talk about phones.
I always check my phone when I rest.
Phones help us escape uncomfortable feelings.
Yes. When I stop scrolling, I feel uneasy.
That uneasiness shows up when the mind slows down.
So what should I do?
You don't need to remove your phone completely. You can create small, phone-free moments.
How small?
2 minutes, 5 minutes.
That feels possible.
During that time, notice your body. Notice the chair. Notice your breathing.
I think I can try that.
Relaxing without your phone helps your mind feel quieter. Mark, do you compare how you rest with how others rest?
Yes. I think others relax better than me.
That comparison creates guilt.
I feel like I'm doing rest wrong.
There is no wrong way to rest. Rest looks different for everyone.
Some people travel or go out.
Yes, others stay home quietly.
I thought my rest was boring.
Boring rest can be very healing. Your body knows what it needs.
So I don't need exciting rest.
Number, your kind of rest is enough. Rest does not need special time.
I thought I needed free time.
Free time helps, but rest can happen anytime.
When?
When you drink water, when you sit down, when you wait.
Those moments are very short.
Yes, but short moments add up.
I never saw them as rest.
Rest is not always lying down. Sometimes it is simply slowing your breath.
That feels easy.
Learning to rest means noticing these small chances. Mark, guilt may still appear when you rest.
Yes, I don't think guilt will disappear quickly.
That's very realistic. You don't need to remove guilt to rest.
So what do I do when guilt comes?
You notice it. You say, guilt is here.
I don't fight it?
Number, fighting guilt makes it stronger.
That feels different.
You can rest and feel guilty at the same time. Over time, guilt becomes quieter.
That gives me hope.
Gentle practice changes feelings slowly. Mark, many people think they need to fix their rest.
Yes, I feel like I must relax the right way.
That idea creates pressure. Rest becomes another task.
I try to relax, but then I feel tense.
That happens when rest turns into work. Rest does not need to be perfect.
So I don't need to feel calm?
No. You can rest and still feel restless. That is still rest.
That feels surprising.
Rest is about allowing, not forcing. Allowing your body to pause. Allowing your mind to slow naturally.
I like the word allow.
Yes, when you allow rest, you stop trying to fix yourself. Let's talk about kindness during rest.
I'm usually not kind to myself.
Many people are not, especially when they are not productive.
I tell myself I should do more.
That voice can be very loud, but you can answer it softly.
What can I say?
Simple words. It's okay to rest. I'm allowed to pause.
Those words feel gentle.
Kindness changes how rest feels. Without kindness, rest feels guilty. With kindness, rest feels safe.
I want rest to feel safe.
Safety is more important than comfort. Comfort comes later. Mark, do you worry that resting makes you lazy?
Yes, that thought is always there.
That belief is very common. But rest does not make you lazy.
Then what does it do?
Rest helps you recover. It gives you energy quietly.
I notice I work better after resting.
Exactly. Rest supports effort. It does not replace it.
So resting is part of being responsible?
Yes, a rested person can think clearly. An exhausted person cannot.
That changes how I see rest.
Rest is not weakness. It is wisdom. Relaxation does not need a special time.
I thought I needed long breaks.
Long breaks are nice, but small moments matter too.
What kind of moments?
Sitting quietly after work, taking a slow breath, closing your eyes for a moment.
Those moments are already in my day.
Yes, you don't need to add more. You just need to notice them.
That feels manageable.
When relaxation becomes normal, guilt slowly fades.
I like that idea.
Mark, how do you feel about relaxing now?
I feel less afraid of it. I feel more understanding.
That makes me very happy. Relaxation is not something you earn, it is something you deserve.
I don't need permission anymore.
Exactly. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to pause. You are allowed to do nothing sometimes.
Thank you, Anna.
And to everyone listening, you don't need to be busy all the time. You don't need to feel guilty for resting. Learning to relax without guilt takes time, and you are already learning. Be gentle with yourself. You are doing enough. See you next time.